So I'm trying to decide if I should leave this Jeep black or if I should take it back to the original factory color. This is a Laredo, and I think I like that original color, but it's going to be a fair bit of expense and effort to get it done. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to rip some of the carpet out of the back and look and see what shape that original paint is inside the tub to give me a better idea if that's the direction I want to go or if I want to leave it black. I don't know. These seat belts are connected in here with zip ties, which they're not going to be used for a while anyway, but even if they were, zip ties are not really the most effective method for securing people into a seat belt. I think I'm gonna take that back seat out. So this is an interesting discovery. I don't know what I don't know what these 4 screws they've got stacked in here. Maybe there was a previous hole there and he was filling it in or something. I don't know. I'm going to leave them there. They're not bothering me right now. This little has lost his spring. Sometimes the door has a little trouble closing. That may be part of my jam up. These brackets, they still function fine, but they're just kind of nasty. And I may see if I can find new ones of those to put in. I think the seat belts will come out because I don't anticipate having any people riding in the back of this Jeep. I'm not even sure I'm going to have a back seat in it at all once it's said and done. But so those will be coming out. These guys need to be replaced. It's interesting that the fender wells are in better shape. The paint and everything is in better shape than what was underneath the carpet. You tell me. I think I should stick with black or go back to the green. I don't know. I could go either way. I mean, it's a Jeep, right? It's going to be fun weekend rig. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure and like the video if you're into this sort of thing. It'll help me to grow the channel a little bit. As I get a chance to work on the Jeep, I'm going to slowly build this thing up into something fun. I'm Brian. This is the Daily Bird Garage, and I'll see you later. Thanks.